Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best RC trucks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ARRMA Brushless 4WD RC Short Course Truck. This brushless RC truck from ARRMA is best for both kids and adults. Whether you want to rack it on road and off-road, it deals with them all. With the maximum speed of 50+ mph, it is going to be fun for off-road adventure. Its 1/10 radio control is very powerful to keep the truck going on most terrains. What is more, users can still continue with the game even under the rain thanks to its waterproof feature. It has a brushless motor that operates at 100 AESC and 3200 kV, making it one of the most powerful RC trucks to choose from. Using 2 pairs of AA batteries, users can enjoy the game going within hours. For racing without using ratio, it also has an inbuilt battery that is compatible with some certain chargers. Moving on, at number 4, we have the click-and-play remote-controlled car. If you are looking for a top-notch remote-controlled car that does not compromise on quality, this product from Click and Play will definitely fit your needs. With this unique RC car, your child will get the chance to pull stunts for several hours down the line. The product is resistant to collision and it'll perform exceptionally well in any and every weather. At number 3, we have the Fistone RC Truck with a shovel loader. Like every other product from Firestone, this truck manages to top our charts owing to its excellent craftsmanship and high stimulation. Furthermore, the car operates on 400 mAh batteries, which lets your child enjoy uninterrupted gameplay for 15 to 20 minutes. The exterior is made from high-quality material and it also remains cool despite the powerful stimulation. As for the remote control, it works up to 300 feet long. Thus, this allows your kids to enjoy playing with the long distance. At number 2, we have the Cheerwing 4WD Off-Road RC Truck. This remote-controlled car from Cheerwing is packed with some of the best features. To begin with, its full-function steering will let you change the forward and reverse the direction of the car flawlessly. Additionally, the design is powered by a superior anti-collision feature that works through different terrains without any inconsistency in the first place. In addition, the car is also backed by radio control technology that can be used by multiple players at once. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fistone RC Trucks, racing cars. If you are looking for a top-notch car with powerful motor and excellent durability, this RC car from Fistone is one of the best options. The car is supported by electric energy that provides exceptional performance irrespective of the terrain. Additionally, it also comes with 4 stable spring systems that firmly adjusts the movements and ensures that your kids get to enjoy the best from the device. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.